Welcome to InvestEd Central's Market Minute, sponsored by StockCharts.com. Simply the web's best financial charts.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our December 13, 2011 Market Minute. I'm John Hopkins, president of InvestEd Central. Well, this morning we got the Dow Jones futures up 50, the S&P futures are up 6, and on the NASDAQ, the futures are up by 12. Overnight in foreign markets, Asian markets were lower, and major European indexes are all higher. Yesterday's action was very weak as traders remained concerned about European developments. Options also came into play, as coming into the day we expected prices could move lower, which is exactly what happened with the S&P and NASDAQ nearing max pain. Today's economic reports, we had retail sales were released this morning. They were weaker than expected, coming in at 0.2, short of the 0.6 expected, and so far it doesn't seem to be having much effect on the market. Also, the Federal Open Market Committee rate decision will be this afternoon at 2:15 p.m. Eastern. Best Buy reported earnings this morning with a negative reaction, and stocks now down over 8% pre-market. Our key moving averages. Okay, on the S&P, the 20 days at 1233, the 50-day at 1221, and the 200-day at 1262. On the support side in the S&P, we want to see 1233 hold, which represents the 20-day moving average, and we got resistance at 1255. Okay, what are we going to watch for here? We got the futures up pre-market, but we have to remain cautious here. It's positive that the bulls managed to hold the 20-day on the S&P yesterday, but let's make sure we know that the momentum has shifted here to the side of the bears. And unless the bulls are able to at least recapture yesterday's high of 1255, the market's going to remain vulnerable. Let's also remember the Fed meets later today to announce its rate decision, so any out-of-the-blue surprise could affect the market. And finally, we've got our active trader series and sector analysis coming out this afternoon. It's going to be awesome at 4:30 p.m. If you want more information, just click on this link.